Hey guys, hi, I'm Naval Yamul. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how top and filter works in Power BI. Let me take a sales amount with the segment or with the product or with the country. You can take anything. So let me take with segment and let me take a sales amount. I have taken the sum of sales and the segment. Now you can filter it by, like, you can sort by using a segment or you can sort by using a sales amount also. Here you, once you hover your cursor, it will show you small arrow. You can just do sorting of the data by just clicking on this. Okay, you can sort it by segment, ascending or descending, and so on. But what is my requirement? I want to show what are the top three sales by segment. Actually there are five segments, but I want to see only top three segments, only top three. So for that, I'm going to use the filter, that is top and filter. I want to use on this particular visual only. So I'll go to filter on this visual page. I want to apply filter on the sum of the sales. So let me click on sum of the sales, and here it is showing me. Yeah. So let me go to segment, and here you have top and filter here. Let me click on top and filter, and it is asking me like show items like top. You can select from top or bottom. So let me select top three items from the segment that should be with respect to the sum of the sales amount. So you need to add some value here. So based on what you want to select top three fields, that is, we want to check based on the sales amount. So you need to drag and drop the sum of the sales amount and just click on apply filter. So now you can see beautifully you have filtered top three items from the segment with respect to the sum of the sales. You can take different values also here by profit, by units sold, and so on. If we, you can go with the bottom also. So what I'll do, I'll just have one more table here, and let me take the sales amount and the segment here and segment. Now you can see these are the three top three results. Yeah, I can see top three. No, first I'll show me segment and then some of the sales. Here let me show first segment. I can reorder it, segment, and then some of the sales. Yeah, now you can sort this by ascending. You can see here top three. You can filter out by using bottom also. So in show items, you can just go and filter by bottom. So you can see here we get, then click on apply filter, we get bottom three results. You can see enterprise, mid market, and channel partners are the bottom three. No, I want to see what is the bottom segment when it comes to the sales. So what is the last segment? You can see bottom one is your channel partners. Similarly, you can just use the top one filter and you should get a government and the sales amount of. So this is how you can use the top end filter. Top end, in that you can use top also and bottom also. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.